if they were to ask questions that are easily answered by information on the website, it suggests to me that they haven't done their homework and may not be as prepared as other candidates for the interview process.
Well, if they don't know it, when I was interviewing when Betty Montgomery was Attorney General, if they didn't know that the Attorney General was a woman, that was a clue that they hadn't looked into anything. Or if they come in and don't have good questions about the office. I think they need to know a little bit about what we do. I don't expect them to know everything the office does.
Well, in this day and age, with the internet and with web pages that each firm maintains, it's pretty easy to tell someone who didn't do their homework, because the homework right now is pretty easy to do. A lot of firms update their web pages quite often with news stories or things that they're proud of, recent achievements that the firm's accomplished. And a lot of times those are very topical issues. So I think the more topical, the more up-to-date a candidate sounds versus the very generic answers that you would see, such as, do you enjoy being a lawyer, is a little different than, how's your firm handling the recent case that I see you landed, or I see you just opened a Chicago office like we did at Baker & Hostetler, how's that been? Anything that's more topical, I think, shows me that the candidate was interested in the interview and has done some research.
Can tell those who have not taken the interviewing process seriously, and that could be from any number of reasons. One is preparation. Who will be listening to these, who will be watching these tapes that we're making today in preparation, and who will not. It's like everything else in life, I think. If your heart and your desire is there, it will show. If you're going through the motions, that too will be reflected in your mannerisms. And I don't know that that's something that you can protect or control. I think this is just human response to the circumstances.